Yeah, what's good, man? Welcome back. How are you doing, chat? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Listen, we are back. I'm excited. This should be a good day today. Let me turn this volume up a little bit. Down, sorry. There you are. Cool. What's good, what's good, what's good? How are you doing? What's good, Rays, Malenko, Badog, what's good? Levi, Noodle Holtz, High Life, Omar. Everyone's here, man. What is good? What's good, chat? How you all doing? Christian, good morning. Alright, good, chat. It should be a good day today. Now, look. There is an interesting amount of potential here on gold. Yeah, very, very interesting morning here. You essentially are just ripping, all right? But let me do a full analysis. So obviously the weekly did flip and you did decide to push. If you did get that entry down here, you're probably never going to come back to it for a long time. So you're good to hold that. But with that being said, daily did close no top wick. So I'm actually kind of thinking that we might flip here at some point, to be honest. Like, I'm definitely not against the idea that we do start to flip here. As well as that, you do have sort of a 4-hour that's coming down towards the flip here, so maybe that could start the beginning of this push downwards. I do believe at some point you need to come down and test into this area here at 27.57, right? As well as that, the 1 hour now flipped. 30-minute close bullish, but the next one's come down. The 1 hour has flipped. So that is very interesting. Are you going to see a continuation down here? I think the answer is maybe. To be honest, if I'm going to grab anything here, I need to drop to the 30-minute. My levels on the 30-minute are around here at 27.81. And then, obviously, anything below this area here at 27.76, we could probably take some decent sales off of, to be fair. As well as above up here. And then, if you do start to close bullish, again, back into this range, you're probably going to be good for buys. Or if you start to actually close above 27.87.1, then yeah, you should be good to drive, right? But again, clean traffic, if you do close below 77, it's just, yeah, essentially whether or not you want to sell. Oh, colors are back to default. Wait. I don't like that. Give me back. I was on my, I was on the one that I used for the course. Which do I like more, actually? I don't even know. We'll stick with this for now. Yeah, levels here at 27.87, 27.81, and 27.77, right? There you go. That's essentially what I'm looking at here, chat. So you do have, like, I'm not even going to put sells or buys here because it could be either. Buys above 27.87 and sells below. Listen, that's the analysis for the day, chat. Make sure you drop a like as well if you haven't already. I do appreciate it very, very much. Yeah, hopefully we have a good start to the day here. Yesterday we caught 2 dubs. Very, very good day. Try and continue that right now. Yeah, how's everyone's morning? How was everyone's day yesterday? How'd you get on? Hopefully you're good. Yeah. Should be a great day. Morning, Charlie. What's good, bro? I'm good, good. What's good, Kata? Good stuff. Good to hear that, man. So, just woke up. I don't even have both eyes open. Insane. Good OTP. What's good, KB? All right, chat. Look, you got a 15-minute close here. Very shortly. You are closing below by the looks of it. Realistically, you should push down and fill into at least 27.77 here. 777, but yeah, no bottom wick. Bottom wick first as well. How's the month looking so far in terms of percentage? Bro, I actually don't know. I couldn't calculate that right now. I haven't looked at my balance or my actual journal. I know, like, last week, I'm pretty sure we did, like, I don't know, something crazy. This week, I'm already up, like, 5 or 6%. Then, how are we doing? Apologies for being late. Was in a trade? Nah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. What's good, Zulu? Good morning, bro. Happy month, man? Yeah, indeed. What about you guys, chat? How's your month like, gone, I guess? Coming up towards the end of October, right? Tomorrow is the final day of October. Hopefully it's been a good month for you guys. Good, good. Back on profits after that shit last 2 weeks ago. Good stuff. Past 2 challenges. Let's go, High Life. Huge. Yeah, chat. Everyone's been killing it this month. I'm good. Glad to see it. To be honest, it's very, very motivating to see as well. I think that's the TRLS effect, right? I don't know why, but everyone seems to just be cooking right now. What's good, Abdullah W, bro? Yeah, so chat, look, the 15-minute came up first as well. Grab the top wick. Looks like you might start to flip down here, and if you do, the question is, are you going to see a push? W's in the chat. What's good, LASIK? So you got a 1 hour close here in about 12 minutes. The question is, when you close, are you going to close below? Realistically, if we're closing on the 1 hour, you could actually look at anything below 27.78, but obviously on the 30-minute, it's a little bit lower. I don't want to take sells here just yet, because obviously this could still just be that higher low being made. Continue back up, right? I'm not saying it is, but it very well could be. 4 hour is coming close to the flip as well, though. It's also the 4 hour close in 11 minutes, too. Grab anything this morning? Nah, not yet. I literally just got on stream. Chat, look, let's try and get to 50 likes on today's stream. I appreciate it. Bro, yeah, I got back on TikTok recently. I used to post on TikTok, but I stopped for a long time because I hated it. I got back on TikTok and I got in a little war last night with some little, I don't know, some bloke on there. Called me a Republican. It's so funny. Bro, that place is mad. Got 100 pips, might call it a day. Hey, Abdullah, good stuff, bro. Yeah, call it a day. That's a lot of pips. Okay, chat, 5-minute close. You got 10 minutes to that 4 hour close. So the question is, oh yeah, you're starting to flip here. I think you're going to feel the range. I would speculate that you're going to feel the range here. All the best, chat. Got a dip. All right, bro, in a bit. In a bit, man. Got a busy day today, though. Got a busy day. Viewings and that. Oh, wait. Yeah, that is a good point. Let me go, Alright, let's charge my camera battery. vlog that later. Nice. Bro, there's actually a helicopter outside my house. Can you do a 1 minute trade if possible? I mean, I can do, but I don't want to. And I wouldn't, to be honest. I don't really trade the 1 minute, to be honest. The lowest I go is the 5, realistically. And then go 5. No, I'm chilling. There's 10 minutes into the 4-hour close. Yeah, man. You gotta be patient here. You can't just like try and get a trade as soon as possible. Got 8 minutes here. I have to wait till that point. There's a lot of potential for us to grab positions right now, chat, but I have to wait for it to form correctly. Do you want to see, like, I actually would rather see a closure down here somewhere first. It's like, like I said, we're still bullish here. You're still in an uptrend. If I was Tory trades, I'd be drawing a trend line right now like this. I guess like this, right? I mean, you're still in an uptrend. You don't want to be taking sales just yet. You break that trend line. Tory trades my everything. You didn't even spell that name right. You got everything, bro. Yeah, see, Ray's knows. Ray's a true fan. Pushing chat, look at this. So you got some volume as well coming in, which is nice. Yeah, I want to see some clean volume here, to be honest. Six minutes. It's not a long time, chat. Listen, you realistically have to be able to wait for stuff like this. At this point as well, 4 hours flipped. Oh, this could be interesting. FBG. Right, insane. Yeah, you got the US election in like 6 days. I'm pretty excited about that. I think it's going to be very interesting. I made a post on TikTok about it, and basically how you can profit off the election, which is actually quite interesting. If you want to check that out, there's the TikTok. But I got called a Republican. I got called a Republican immediately. Betting on Trump winning, bro. Trump should win, but unless it's rigged. Smart decision. The smart decision is actually to bet on Kamala. In my opinion. If you were going to bet on Polymarket. 5 minute close. I just watched that TikTok. Thank you, Raze. Rip Stevie, I know, bro. Right. It was actually so funny. I was creasing, like just sat there watching it. I thought I had to react to it. I just made my first $50. Let's go, Mohammed. Good stuff. ETC close to all-time high. If Trump gets in office, we'll see 90. Yeah, I think so too. Mohammed, now you're hooked, eh? Now you're a trader. That's how it gets you. It's like gambling. Once you get your first big win, that's it, you're hooked. Until you lose your first 1K, that's actually true, bro. It's all relative, like when you lose your old salary, that's the one. Or when you make your old salary too, obviously, but oh, it's the same guy? What do you mean? So Stevie's comment? Yeah, I know, yeah. Stevie's a fan, bro. Bro, that video, I was crying at that. I found it so funny. Chat, 3 minutes into the 4-hour close. What are we gonna do? Oh, vid? On my TikTok. Basically, I made an election vid and some guy, me a Trump supporter and a pro-life guy or whatever, I reacted to his account. I'll show it later. I'm just logged in right now. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Can we get a position here? I think, to be honest, if you do close bearish on the 4-hour and grab a top wick, we could actually look to take some sells. I don't know if that's going to actually formulate. I feel like we're going to close bullish somehow. Thing is, like, if you can, if you like decide to actually push up here and close bullish, you probably will continue up, right? There's nothing telling us that we're going to just magically reverse here. Other than the fact that the 4-hour is flipping and the daily no top wick, right? Daily no top wick might be actually a good sign of that, but doesn't mean we're going to reject from here. We might reject from up here, or we might reject, wherever. So you have to be patient and wait for the confirmations. Alright, chat, 1 minute to the 4-hour close. Close bearish on the 4, we'll consider some sells. If that 4-hour closes bearish, right, you're very, very big indication that you have got room to come back down. For Crypto Minute, bro, I thought it was, I don't know who that is, yeah. Alright, you're rejecting here, chat. 15 minutes pushing up. Wants to close bullish. Oh, is it you, Raise? Definitely Raise. Chat, pushing up towards the top of this level here. What are we going to do? Might actually close no top wick on the 15 minute. Oh my days. What is that? That is insane. That is a ridiculous closure. Like instantly rejected like 80 pips. Not 80, 8. Well, now like 20. You did close respecting the level though, chat. You actually closed above here, so I can't take any sells here at all, to be honest. I might be able to take some buys if you can close bullish on the next 15 minute. The buys look kind of clean. If the 15 would have closed with the top wick, we would have actually probably been in. We don't have news, right? We have news later in New York, but not right now. Not right now. We got where are we at? Yeah, 12:15 today we got news. And 12:30. So we'll be on stream a little bit early again, remember? Probably be on at like 12. I'll jump on. Got non-farm employment change, GDP. But yeah. Oh, there's actually a lot of news. There's crude oil inventories as well. Yeah. We'll definitely be on for that later during NY. Hey, what's good, Badge? How's it going, brother? A lot of potential for positions here, though. The next 15, The next 15, if you can close bullish here above the level with a top wick, I'm pretty sure you can continue to push it. The 4-hour did actually close bullish still. Come down and made a bottom wick first. I just want to see a confirmation that we actually can, flip and close. Obviously, the previous 15 closed no top wick, which makes it a bit difficult. Once you can actually close bullish here, you should be good to get some positions. So just stay locked in. I'm actually gonna open my. Wait. That's what I'm gonna do now. From now on, I'm gonna open my broker here. Smart. Oh. Cool. Yeah, so you're pushing up here, chat. The 4-hour flipped. Let's see a push up here, to be honest. So if we can get a closure, we should be good here. Should be in there. Question is this just going to be a top wick for the 4-hour to continue down, right? Because you did actually flip on the 4-hour previously. You wanted to reject, but you did fail to reject, I guess. So yeah, on the 1-hour, it looks very, very nice. Like if this 1-hour, obviously, hopefully we don't have to wait until the 1-hour, but if the 1-hour does actually close bullish here, wow. The budget is 500 and you increase by 5% a week. Imagine in a year. $5% a week is crazy. Actually, it's not. Well, actually, it is to do it consistently. It is. Yeah, you can have a 5% week. Like we've had a 5% week this week and like 10%. But to do it consistently, yeah, you're right. And you're gonna have losses and everything as well. Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean, bro. I made a video talking about that, and people were like, "What? No, you can do it. It's easy." Like people see stuff like this Alex G thing, which is fake. People see stuff like people flipping $10 to $1 million, or people see, whatever it is, these mad flips, and they think that they can do 10% a week consistently and make like 300% a year. It's like, bro, not how this game works. Literally not how it works. Give me losses. I thought trading was only wins. Yes, I agree actually. When you have a marketing account, it is. All you have to do is go to a broker and ask for a marketing account. Then it is all wins. You're ripping up here. Some video that catches him out bad. But like, if anyone believed that from the beginning, that's kind of crazy. Chat, look, 8 minutes here to the 15-minute close. So if you can close bullish, like we said, and grab a bottom wick on the next candle, we're going to be in a position here. Like, you should be good to take those buys. But yeah, chat, listen, October finishes tomorrow. Happy Halloween. And yeah, hopefully you guys all had a good month. How we all ended up after the month? You guys in profit? Was it a tough month for you guys? What are we looking at? And what are your goals for November as well? Tomorrow will be a hell of a nightlife. Oh yeah, bro. I remember going out on Halloween when I was at uni. We used to go out like the night before Halloween, on Halloween, and the night after Halloween as well. Every year. Yeah, we locked in. Nah, 100%, bro. It's a different life. Different life. Yeah, you gotta be locked in right now. Making bread, indeed. Raise the baker right here. Yeah, Chad, look, 7 minutes here. Not a long time to wait for positions. Like, right, notice in between closures, people like the view numbers spike and then they come back on at like the 1 hour closure and stuff. But if you can't sit and wait for a closure, you're actually cooked. A lot of people dip off the stream when, like, you know, if we don't get anything on the 30, obviously they have to come back on the next 15. Right. If you can't wait for a closure, you got no patience, no attention span. Yeah, you're cooked. Just crazy. Like, I actually think a lot of people have such a low attention span now that they can't actually wait. Like, you know, they can't stay patient. This week so far, I've been seeing great entries, but no structure to put my stop loss, so I stay out. Yeah, fair. No, that's fair enough, bro. Like, yeah, I mean, stops are the most important part, right? So if you haven't got that, then what would you do? Yo, dressing up as a trading candle for Halloween is kind of crazy. Everyone's gonna be like, what the fuck are you? Chat, my girl called me the other day and she was like, what's a bottom wick? I was like, yes, sir. She was like, what does closing no bottom wick mean? I was like, we made it. Gonna teach us to trade. Order block? Yeah, that's not a bad one. That is crazy. Bro, it's kind of funny though. I thought it was cute. Does she trade too? No shot, bro. Absolutely no shot. No. Like, no. Typical, like, girl's girl, you know what I mean? There's no way she's trading. I think she'd be interested, to be fair. She definitely could as well. But, yeah, fuck that. Alright, 4 minutes here, chat. Good green. How you going, bro? No bottom wick means you're a girl. It's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Good Smokey. Can we break through to 2784? Maybe. Yeah, we do kind of need to break through there. But to be fair, on the 1 hour, if you close out this chat, holy, we're taking some buys. That is what is now known as the Sky Dweller play. It opens up signals I'm in low. Watch out outperform you, my G. Not even in mine, bro. You can't join hers. That's crazy. Imagine though. I feel like girls could be sick traders. I don't think they care about money as much. SG, I gotta ask you something off stream. Yeah, Green, say less, bro. Hit me up on Insta. Hit me up, man. Say less. There's one girl that only takes like maximum 3 to 5 trades a month, and she's making hella bread. Yeah, bro. I feel like there's a couple. Yeah, Eugene's going crazy in the chat. Yeah, stay composed. I want to see what this 15 does, right? If you can close bullish here in 2 minutes time, it should be good to get some positions. Alright, so we'll probably be looking at like a bottom wick. Getting somewhere around here. Shouldn't re-break that low, right? So your stops can be down there for like 30 pips. And you should realistically want to retest this high. Poll how many girls are in the chat, bro. It's like 5%. Something. I start my own trading streamer community with only Johns. Is insane. Why don't you start trading on OnlyFans? You're one. Alright, chat, lock it in here. Listen, drop a like if you haven't already as well. Let's get to 50 likes on today's stream. Appreciate it very much. And yeah, look, you got 15-minute closure here in about a minute. Question is, can we actually close bullish or... Whoa, that 5-minute is not the nicest. I don't get the signals on OnlyFans. Yeah, that's insane. What's good, Remy? I don't like how we're rejecting here. You sort of made a lower high, to be honest. Also, I'm not in a trade, by the way. I don't know why I left that on there. I do know why I left it on there. Because you get like a big spike the moment you put that on. Right, I'm telling you guys, chat, the Telegram must be real. Like, it has to be real. Can't lie, there's a jump of like at least 10 people every time I put that on. It's insane, bro. What's good, Max? How's it going, brother? You're closing back below here. This could be interesting. Alright, never mind. You closed Doji and respecting. Yeah, there will be no how much commands. Alright, chat, look, you close respecting. You are starting to push up as well. I'm interested to see what we do. Obviously, now we're going to have to wait for this 30-minute closure. It's going to be very important how we close here on this 30-minute. And that should give you some direction, to be honest. But even if it's not the 30-minute, that 1 hour as well. If you can close bullish on the 1 hour, then that's going to be insane. I think I should get the super mod thing to be on Has. I don't think you should. Don't think you should, my bro. It's good, Dan. How's it going, bro? Good morning. Super mod is crazy. That's the mod god formula. Yeah, he's got mod plus. Mod premium. To be fair, yeah, that's true. I haven't added new mods in a long time. I'll give you $30. Alright, Eugene, if you give me $30, I'll give you it. I'll add another 30. We just start doing we start doing what the US economy has and hyperinflating the mods so they become worthless. Just devaluing the currency. I reckon that's the move. Alright, chat, $50 and you can get mod. Playing. Mod is an infinitely valuable currency. $50 on one stake. Oh, now you're making it interesting. 10k? Wow. Right, 10k is... I'm the stake guy. Crazy. Oh, I like that. I like what you did there, Eugene. Yeah, we'll take that. Raising the stakes. What's good, Prestige? How you doing, man? Anyone got a higher offer? I'm gonna start auctioning this shit off. Like, in that fucking Batman movie. Not too bad. How you been lately, my man? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm chilling. This next closure should be very important, though. You got 10 minutes into the 30-minute closure. On the 15? Yeah, it's not too bad, but I'd just rather wait for the 30 here. That closure is going to tell you everything. If you close above, you're going to rip up, probably. Close below, you're probably going to continue down a little bit. I do want to see like this closure here in about 10 minutes time or 11 minutes. ISG been a minute. Any trades this week? Yeah, it was good, Ridwan. Yeah, Monday we caught a dub. We caught some buys. Yesterday we caught 2 trades. We caught 2 wins. Plus 23 and then plus 11, 15, 15. Yeah, so 2 nice wins yesterday. We're 3-0 for the week so far, which is nice. Three and ho. Indeed. Yeah, look at this though. You're starting to sort of just range for a little bit here. You're starting to make some structure. Yesterday's trade was during NY or London? Yeah, both. Both. We caught 2. That's what I'm saying, chat. All you have to do is pull up for free. Right. Like, these streams are all free. All you have to do is turn up. You know, type in youtube.com. Click on my name. And you can make money. How crazy is that, bro? I don't think people understand the amount of value there. And just also like the education side too. Obviously the most important part is learning to trade, but I've also taken what? 60 trades, sorry, on stream this year for free. And 143 of them. You can make free bread and people still want something that's overcomplicated to make bread? I know, it's crazy, bro. Makes no sense to me. I think because it's free, people are like, nah, it can't be real. Obviously it is. Yeah, this is this video I was talking about. Bro, I was crying. This guy commented, bro supports Trump. Bro. I was crying, man. Bro, you can't be hating on people on TikTok when your account looks like that. You literally can't. Bro, the comments were insane as well. Comments were actually crazy. I was crying. Because they, like, basically tried to clap back at me. And, what did they say? Hang on. Oh, no way, I can't look at the comments. Oh. Bro, it's so funny. Yeah, anyway. Chat, look. You got 7 minutes here to the close, so... What's the move here? I think we might, to be honest, be able to close below. By the way, how long did it take you to master psychology? I tend to overtrade after meeting my daily goals. Been trading for over a year, but still finding it hard at times. I wouldn't say I've mastered psychology. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, my trading psychology is actually good. But you never really master it. There's always room for improvement, you know? What I would say is... Don't set yourself daily goals, firstly, because that puts you in a bad mindset. Giving yourself a daily goal is like saying you need to make a certain amount. You don't. And the other thing I would say is literally physically close down the charts the moment you hit your goals. Or not your goals, but the moment you're done with the trade. Like, you can't stay and watch it afterwards. Just close the charts and walk away. Go do something else. Go distract yourself. Like, if you're trying to get over any other emotion, what do? Like, most people just distract themselves. You know, if you have a breakup or if you have some trauma or, you know, anger, whatever it is, most people would distract themselves. But when it comes to trading, people don't do the same thing, but you actually should do, right? If you got FOMO or you got some greed, go and walk away, go distract yourself with something else. Trust me, it's gonna help you. You can't have those emotions if you're not even trading, right? Just be done for the day. Yeah, everything's pushing down here. 5 minutes here to this 30-minute close. If you close bearish here, to be honest, you could take some sells. Just don't like how we're struggling a little bit here. But despite that, you are making essentially another lower high here. Sometimes I'm done during London, but I come back during NY and give my profits back to the broker. Yeah. That's okay though. You can trade London and then go away for a little bit and come back during New York. Just make sure you trade one trade a day. I do watch the charts all the time, but I'm very selective when it comes to taking a trade. Yeah, you have to be, but the thing is, like, when you've been trading for a long time, right? But when you're like a little bit newer, I think this is what I always think when it comes to like trading psychology and trading rules. When you're newer, you have to be more strict, and then you can sort of back off a little bit when you get experience. So like, you know, like the one trade a day thing is great when you're new, but obviously when you've got a couple of years in the markets, now you know which trades to take. You don't have to actually limit yourself to one trade a day. Because now you're just taking only good setups anyway. It doesn't matter. And then you can essentially trust yourself and use your intuition a little bit more. Same with like dieting, I guess. Like, you know, when you start training at the gym, you have to count calories. Then eventually you get to the point where you know exactly how many calories you're eating, etc., etc. That's one thing. I think that's really important, to be fair. Have my setup written on the chart before entering a trade. I go through it out loud like a pilot, go through the checklist. If all systems go, I'm in. Yeah, that's a good point, bro. That's actually a good way to do it. End of November, it's going to be like 2 years. Yeah, good stuff. What are we looking at? If gold breaks 2780, it'll be a sell to 2775. On the other hand, if it pushes and breaks 2784, my TP would be all-time high. Yeah, I hear that. I think that's, yeah, a good analysis. Right now, we need to make a decision whether we're going to push up or down. At the minute, it could go either way. It looks like it's favoring down a little bit here. So with that being said, right, if you can close back in this range, should be able to fill this wick down towards here, right? Where's the daily flip? Daily flip's all the way down at 74, right? So that you're still quite far away from that. Hopefully I get better within the next year. Just complete my first year this October. Yeah, you're good, bro. Honestly, like, at least you know what the problem is as well. That's the first step. The first step is always diagnosing what the actual issue is. If you can't understand what the issue is, then, you know, how are you going to take those trades? And how are you going to fix the issue with the psychology? My problem is taking that loss. I just can't take loss. I hear that, bro. It's definitely a difficult thing to see, especially like when your balance has gone down and it was at some point and now it's not there. You just have to understand it's part of the game, right? Think long term rather than short term. Like towards the end of the year, you're going to be in profit, right? So yeah, it is what it is. At 2 minutes into the 30-minute close, how are we going to close? That's the question. Oh, I'm exhausted, I swear. Working on taking losses and trying not to let my loss run. Yeah, you got to close those losses early. I mean, we did that the other day, right? Like, we cut a loss to like 2 pips. Last week. Was it last week or was it Monday? Maybe Monday. Let's see, thank you, bro. All right, chat. 1 minute here. Lock it in. Let me grab some positions. I think if you can open up here, top wick first, should be good to continue down. I think you might need like a little bit of a push up first. My take on trading is to execute every setup and accept any outcome. Yeah, that's exactly it, bro. Hourly looks like support. The hourly's got support down here at 27.78. Would be our break-even point, right? Chat here is always so helpful. Really appreciate you all. Hey, let's go, bro. It actually is, bro. Loss is not really loss. Think of it as a subscription fee you pay to the market to get the info on whether it's going up or down. Yeah, so true. You gotta pay your fee to the market, right? Alright, chat, focus up here. Small bottom wick. Yeah, that 15 is not nice. Looks good on everything other than that 15. I was just analyzing, to be honest. Yeah, I don't like that 15. That doesn't mean it won't push down, right? But look at the way you close respecting on this 15-minute time frame. For all we know, this could just continue to push up. The best play here is to wait for the hourly I know you guys might not want to hear that, but that is genuinely the best play here. DXY. Pushing up. I never really look at DXY, to be fair. I don't think it matters too much. Yeah, like, to be honest, you know, at the end of the day, this 1 hour could still flip bullish here and close bullish. And like we said earlier, that might even be the best option. If you can close bullish on the 1 hour, look what you're going to get. You're going to essentially have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What do you get after that higher low? You get a continuation, right? If you can catch that there, catch these buys, hold them, guess what, chat? Like, if you do decide to push and break all-time highs, it's not going to come back for a while. Just be patient here, chat. There's a lot of potential. 92 of you in here right now. I appreciate it very much. Let's wait for this 10 o'clock closure. Yeah. Should be a lot of potential. I definitely think we can grab some positions here this morning. It's just about waiting for the right one. It's going to be like that day we were arranging. Up in the 5-minute zone, we'll eat again today. I don't think so. I think we'll actually have a lot of potential to make some decent moves here. But we just need to wait on them. What do you wait for before moving stop loss to be? I usually move it too early. It hits my break even and then moves 60 plus pips. Yeah, I look for rejection areas. So if I was taking buys here, my break even point would be 27.83, right? You can quite easily reject that. I'm basically looking at areas where if it decides to reject, if it did reject here, it'd be very bad for my position, right? You're probably going to come back down. So don't think about it as like, can you survive the break even? It's not your decision whether or not you get tapped break even or survive it. Think about, where do I need to protect my position? Okay, so it's not about like, yeah, are we going to survive and stay in? Like, okay, at which point do I need to protect my position? Because it might reverse on me and put me in drawdown. Okay, and most likely the point there is here, right? 2783.9. Or even, yeah, most likely 2783.9. So you don't want to go back into drawdown after being in profit for no reason. Look at this chat. This looks very, very clean. If you can close like this, then great. Listen, there's so much potential right now if you can close like this. All we need to see is a bottom wick on the next open if the 1 hour closes bullish, and I'll be in there because I do believe this, especially because you respected this level here. I'm pretty certain that this is going to be a higher low being made before you can continue back up. That's really what I think here. One to one I move to B, 2 to 1 I close 50%, and then 50% every one ratio. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, bro. But the thing with that is I don't like moving a specific ratio only because I guess if it works for your entry, it works, right? But you know, let's say you have a rejection area. Like, I've had it so many times where people are like, "Why are you break even right now?" And I've gone break even at a rejection area, and then it will like rip down and would have hit my stops, right? So, you know, I don't really see the point in waiting for a specific risk to reward before you go break even. If I wanted a 1-to-1 here, I'm gonna have to wait for like the range to get filled basically before I can even go risk free. But listen, if it works with the data, I'm not here to like, you know, say it doesn't work. I'm just saying, in my opinion, I think the best way that I do it is, or the way that I do it is based off of, you know, specific areas of rejection. Yeah. Valid. All right, chat. Look, so you are essentially, well, you did close on the 5 bullish, right? Next 5 minutes ranging a little bit. What you don't want to see is you don't want to see like structure being made. I've noticed as well when it's like, I hate this pattern and it doesn't, I don't trade like this obviously, but when you start to range at the minute, you are starting to do like, essentially you like form one of these triangle things. What are they called? Like a symmetrical triangle or some bullshit. Which is like almost a consolidation, right? And then you actually end up breaking out of it. We've done that so many times. We did it yesterday. So like the range gets smaller and smaller until you decide to break out. So if we start doing that again, it might get a little bit difficult because you don't want to essentially have your moves and your volume dropping down. Of course, that one's called the elbow pattern. Crazy. Not the knees and toes. Yeah, look, so much potential here, chat. You got 5 minutes here to the 15-minute close. You are pushing up as well. As long as you don't fill the range, you should be good here to grab some positions. You've got a lot of room up towards 27.87, right? It's like a 40 pip range from where we are right now. You know, stops are about 40 pips too. Maybe even 30, which is not bad. Range trading is as close as it gets to profitability. You can trade many ways and become profitable. I was speaking to someone the other day at the trading event that trades like the 1 minute. We were talking about like whether or not it's more profitable to trade as a scalper or a swing trader or 1 minute or whatever. This guy's argument was that because the 1 minute is harder to master, you can make more money doing it, which I don't necessarily agree with. I see his point. He's a good trader, so like, you know, I respect his argument, but I think you can just make money trading whatever. You know, like institutions and that aren't scalping the 1 minute, are they? They're you know, swinging. They're buying at a specific level, pushing the price up, selling. I guess they probably do look at the 1 minute. Well, they don't look at candlesticks, right? They just have algorithms. Of robots that are looking at specific things. That 5 minute closed here. Actually closed bearish, which is interesting. You are rejecting off this level here at 27.82. That's the exact same level we took buys yesterday. By the way. 27.82.1. We took buys. Oh no. No, I'm tripping. It was 72, right? Yeah. 72, my bad. I was like, I swear it was 2.5, but yeah, it was 72.5. Good job. Morning, bro. Chat, 3 minutes into the 15-minute close. What are we going to do? Are you, mate? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. It's been a good week so far, chat. It's been a good week. So, listen, like, when you start a week off like this, you can do two things. You can either like get super aggressive and risk it, which is not a bad thing, or you can sort of take it a little bit easier. Or you stay the same, and I think that's probably the best option. But yeah, just we'll just stick to the plan. But the important thing is, right, we don't need a trade right now. You know, we've already had 3 trades this week, 3 wins. We don't need a trade. That being said, if it forms, I'm going to take it, you know. I'm not going to let it go just because I'm in profit for the week. But you know, you don't have to be so hungry. Question is, now that this 5 minutes pushing back down, are we going to start to form this range that I was talking about? I hope we don't. And all I want to see here is a bullish 1 hour close. If you can get that bullish 1 hour close, you should be clean to go. So I've been really busy lately, missed a chunk of the stream. Nah, you're good, bro. No stress. Yeah, Omar, that's a very good way to phrase it. Charts are the same for all of us. Strategies are different languages that tell the same story. Find a language that you understand and stick to it. That's very true. Okay, chat, 15-minute close here in 2 minutes time. Again, I can't take any positions really off this 15-minute. It's going to be the 1 hour that gives you exactly what you're looking for, to be honest. All you want to see is a nice 1 hour close. Next candle, you'll just see something like this. You know, bottom wick and a flip, maybe even a wick entry. Stops can be super tight, like 20 pips. Take profit will be all the way back up here, right? That's called a 2-to-1, chat. That's insane. If it forms correctly, that is, chat. How many pips is that TP? It's like 50, 40, 45, something like that. Nothing major, right? The range isn't too big, but because we're in London session, sometimes you can get the opportunity to have small range, small stops. So, you know, you could either have like 20 or 30 pip stops. I think you actually might need to come down and grab this as well. So what we would probably do, they'd probably start off the position by having stops here at like 30 pips. And then the moment we flipped, you probably push them back up towards 20 pips, right? We do seem a little bit stuck here, chat. The only thing I'm concerned about, which I think is very possible, that I'm quite positive we're going to start to push towards the end of this hourly candle. Thing is, I don't want to be taking a trade in this range until the 1 hour closes. But like the 15 might push here, especially if you come down bottom wick first. It looks like you actually might do. Oh, I know some of you attempted to take this. And it is tempting, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I can take that just yet. Dynamic background, what do you mean? It's the sheep gone. I feel like you sometimes hallucinate. Alright, 15's coming down here to make a bottom wick. That's not really what we want, but nonetheless, chat, if the 1 hour can close bullish, like we said, in about 13 minutes time, listen, Get your TikTok brain out the gutter. Stay patient for 13 minutes. And you're gonna make some money if you do, right? The main thing, like in any other industry, I said to you, wait 30. If you were like doing ecom, right? I said, oh, just sit there and wait 13 minutes, and you'll get a sale. Everyone be like, yeah, sure, no worries, I'll wait. Right? Because it's trading, everyone's like, no, we need to take the trade now. It's so weird to me. It's a weird concept. Trading is really an industry like no other. Alright, pushing up here, chat. No FOMO if we decide to rip here. Absolutely no FOMO. I still think there's an opportunity for us to get some decent positions here. We could get a wick entry on this 1 hour as well after it closes. You should be good. Like, if you get a wick entry here when you tap into 2782 or 81.8, flip back up. If it drives, you're never going to come back to that point realistically, or at least you shouldn't. Like, if you do decide to re-break this low, then you're obviously going to continue back down. I think as well, something that I've been thinking a lot about recently is when you're managing a trade, you have to manage it as if you have to understand where your entry is and almost be honest with yourself and ask yourself, did you get a good entry? Is your entry going to be retested? Like, is it likely to be retested? If it is, then probably just close full when you get some profit. If your entry is not likely to ever get retested, and that's when you close, that's when you know, go break even, wait a little bit, close some partials when you're up a little bit, you know, maybe like, I don't know, wherever, you let the rest run. We've had entries, I've had entries down here that would never have got retested. Like, I'm pretty sure we got entries, what was it? Here, I'm certain we had an entry, not here. Here? Yeah, here. Definitely had an entry there. Got retested once, but then never again. You know, like, sometimes you get those entries where it's just never going to retest it. But look, chat, this looks so clean. If we can hold out for just 5 minutes, or sorry, 10 minutes. I'm muted for the second sneeze there, just in case you guys wanted to hear it. 5 minute closing here. You look like you might close bullish. Interesting, man. Bless you. Thank you, KB. Interesting. 5 minute closed. Bullish. Somewhat respecting that little level there. You might see a push up here, chat, and you have to, you know, manage this FOMO. You can't just jump into a position willy-nilly. I love that saying. But yeah. Oh, willy-nilly, indeed. $30th? Are you 30, Eugene? Crazy, bro. That's old. Bro. Insane. It's your first message in this chat. Angel. No, he's not old. Yeah, no, I'm playing. My bad. My bad. All right, chat. Look, 8 minutes here. Can we get a nice closure? I want to see just a decent wick being left. As long as you can leave some form of a top wick, you should be good. I want to see us push here, and I think we might. I think this might be the rip, chat. But look, no FOMO. 8 minutes. Luckily, we caught the exact bottom, right? Luckily, I'm in this position right here. Just clean. I'll probably close half here, chat, to be honest. Yeah, dubs. Rest can just run, right? $22 risk to reward, you know. Nah, but look, chat, you are pushing up here. You are ripping a little bit. So I want to see a pullback before we get that close. 14 pips up, good stuff, High Life. Did that little 15-minute play, eh? Cheeky. Cheeky. Yeah, we've got 7 minutes here, chat. I want to see a bottom wick on the next 1 hour. If we can get a wick entry, that's going to be so clean. A lot of potential, right? So stay locked in, stay focused up. Drop a like if you haven't already, and make sure to subscribe if you're new. We've got vlogs coming out weekly. Day in the life vlogs / I guess just cool videos, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, like building in public style videos. Austin Power? Crazy. Austin Powers, but yeah. 30s is great, bro. A man with money, house, car, no ties, goes gym. Mummies love it. Insane. I think you love the mummies, not the other way around. Joking. Alright, chat, look. 6 minutes here. Running without us. It actually is running without us, to be honest. Chat, sometimes so is life. Let's see. Can we close nicely on this 5? Close with a bearish candle. That's going to give you a bottom wick to then continue back up. Exactly what we'll look for. Very simple, chat. Yeah, there's a lot of potential. So let's see. Where's SG when he's 40? I'm never gonna be 40. I'm gonna get rich enough to you have to stop the aging process. I'm gonna be 24 forever. Pull back, please, chat. Yeah, you're breaking the previous high here, which is interesting. 5-minute close, no top wick though. Kind of. The range is getting smaller and smaller, right? You've literally only got like 25 pips left of this range. A little bit difficult, chat. Good thing is you did close above on the 5, so technically you have got some bullish structure back again. Like we said, right? This was the low. Probably pushed up like 20 pips here. I need to become a full-time trader ASAP. You can now raise, to be fair. Wait, I gotta write some stuff. I'll write some notes. I just thought of some things. Yeah, what did I think of? So, I mean, that's how I need to write stuff down that quickly because I've already forgotten about it. All right, chat. 3 minutes here to the 1 hour close. So as long as you can close bearish on this 5 minute, right, leaving yourself some form of a wick entry. Bro, you can't just say entry. That's not how it works. I wish it was like a magic spell. But yeah, if you can close bearish on the 5 minute here, that's going to be a top wick basically on the 1. And then yeah, as long as you can tap down into like 2781, we'll have a wick entry. We'll be in there. I don't know if you're going to tap there just yet. Even if we close above here. Yeah, but it needs to have a wick, bro. Need a wick. Bro, this 5's going to flip. If this 5 flips, which it just did, you're probably going to see a push. I think this might be difficult, chat. I don't think it's going to... I think it's going to just push without us. But let's see. Lock it in here. You got 2 minutes, chat. Focus. Focus up here, man. Tops are getting a little bit bigger. Oh no. Wick entry would be clean, to be fair. Even if it taps only into like 27, 82.9, basically 83. It's either going to be here, or it's going to be obviously down at the bottom of this range, right? It's going to be one of these two for the wick entry. 2 minutes, so chat. If you can close like this, that would be ideal. Or if the 5 minute can close no bottom wick. If the 5 closes no bottom wick, I'm going to be in off the rip, to be honest. One minute, 33 seconds, chat. Lock this shit in. Yeah, lock it in. You just don't want this 5 to flip, which it looks like it's about to do. Really not what you want, chat. I'd like a bigger wick on the 1 hour, sorry. I'd like it to be like, you know, at least 5-6 pips minimum. Not this. Alright, 1 minute no top wick. Hopefully that means we can push down here. You got 40 seconds till the close, chat. Let me push down here. Are we just frozen in time or something? Let's go, we're just sat still here. What's going on? There's no volume. I think that might mean there's going to be a spike in volume when we open. But you are leaving a wick here, which is good. Actually spoke too soon, bro. I actually spoke too soon. Yeah, no top wick either, chat. Holy fuck. Gold really is not playing, eh? There's also no volume either. That's the other problem I'm having here. Literally no volume. I've just stood still for the last, what, 5 minutes? Just stayed in this little three pip range for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Got a little double top here on the 1 minute as well. One minute, no bottom wick. Stay on for a little bit, right? I want to see how the next like 15 close is. I do think regardless, you should fill the top of this range. a little bit concerning the way we're... And you have a wick fill as well on the 4 hour. That 1 hour close is very tough. Good Creed, how's it going, bro? Holding to the 4 hour top. Yeah, fair play. A 30-minute candle. Yeah, no wick, bro. It loves doing this at the minute. It did it. When did it do it as well? Yesterday when we were in buys, it did it. Here, it just pushed up no wick. Did it here as well. It just loves making a big push here with no bottom wick. Yeah, I managed risk here on one of these positions the other day, and it just pushed up. I'm not using static lot size, you know I'm an RR monster. Yeah, fair play. I got sales from 87.7 this morning right now. Chilling. Hey, let's go, bro. From 87.7, that's big, Creed. Good shit. Already in buy? Must have missed it. Nah, I'm not in a buy, bro. I'm not in a buy, Joe. Can't take that. The you know, 30-minute and the 1 hour close, no top wick. I literally can't take a position there. What I can do is wait for the 15-minute to close. See if we can grab something off that. Good Viking. How you doing, bro? Alright, 1 hour flipped here. The question is, are we going to respect or are we going to push? Want to guys storm late to the party? All good, Matt. What's good? $103 watching, 54 likes. Come on now. Yeah, Matt's right, chat. Drop a like. All good. Half term, so can't trade as much as I got the kid. Hey, good stuff, Viking. That's more important, right? Have you watched the show From? No, I haven't. What is that? Look, so you are, wow, you are flipping up here. That closure was just so chalked. Like, I've genuinely just had no entry here because, like, yeah, if you caught it on the 15 down here, then good. Like, that's a W. I couldn't take it personally. Did get 100 bit buys yesterday though on a runner. Oh, there you are. W. Yeah, chat. Absolutely nothing I could have done here, to be honest. Can't take it on the 15 because that's right before the close, right? The hourly close. And I didn't also know if we were going to reject in this range, so you can't take that. And secondly, see, the hourly close is no top wick, so. When was your first stream, mate? What, me? February something. Maybe January 20th, February 1st, somewhere around there. It's like, it's been about 10 months, I'd say. I'll go to a restaurant to eat, but I'm gonna take my laptop with me, so I'll stay on the live. This guy's going whining and dining. Whining and dining, bro. Fair play. A W. Every time. Poll it. Poll what? Who'd be interested in a meet to celebrate the 1 year? Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, chat. That's a great point. Let's do that. CRLS meet. Celebrate 1 year. You already know I'm in? Bro, you know, it'd be sick if I have the gym already by then. Could obviously use that. Yes, no. Yes, no. Oh, wait, actually, let's do January. Okay, let's do December. January. February. coming. Only answer if you're actually like serious about coming. If you're gonna say like, yeah, I'll come, but then actually not get a flight, then don't answer, right? But chat, there's a poll in the chat right now. If you want to come to a Trendlines meetup, we definitely will do one at some point, even if it's just for the coaching group, right? Because we'll definitely do something for that. But yeah, this will be like a general one, I guess. February so the holidays can go. Yeah, I hear that. I'll be in Italy December to January. Right, I'll come meet you in Italy, holy. I'll be in Italy in December too. I'm gonna be in Italy in December, in Florence, bro. Like mid-December, I think. SG is inviting all of us for the TRLS anniversary, all expenses paid. I don't know about all expenses paid. Not quite yet. Actually, to be fair, it depends what it is. Yeah, it depends what it is. Definitely cover a bit of it, or a lot of it. Yo, chat, look at this, by the way. Whoa. Let me show you that one. Yo. I don't want to say anything just yet, bro, but look at the playbook, man. Come on. Sponsored, bro. Unofficial partnership. Playbook. Playbook. Nah, chat, look, you got 5-minute closure here in a minute's time. Yeah, that playbook, sneak peek and a half, I know. I'm super excited for it. It's going to look sick. It's also going to be sick, right? Whereabouts you thinking, Manchester? Nah, probably not Manchester. It'll probably be somewhere more central, right? Like London, Birmingham, maybe not Birmingham. Maybe London. Maybe somewhere Midlandsy. Depends, bro. If I have the gym building's all done, it'll be there 100%. We'll get like some nice caterers out, do it nicely. But if, you know, it's not, I don't know. I'm in Suffolk, so London would be good. Yeah, I think most people are. I mean, look, I'm not trying to go back up north again. Not that far. Manchester's fucking miles away from me. Only 2 hours train from London? Okay, fair play. Yeah, somewhere easy to get to. Now I hear that. I guess London suits then, right? 4-hour flight time to the UK. That's nothing, Raze. I'm surprised it's 4 hours. I feel like it would be a lot less than that. 5-minute close bullish? Yeah, it did. We'll see what the 15 does, chat. If the 15 can close with a top wick, we can potentially look at some buys here. Right there for the win. Do you think you should tap into this level anyway, right? There's no reason you shouldn't tap into 2787 now. Max's flight is probably like 24 hours. Bro, actually, I'm pretty sure it's like... Isn't it like an 18... Yeah, probably a 20-hour flight, actually. Do they even do direct flights? Surely you have to fly to, like, Australia somewhere and then get the flight. Or you might even have to fly to, like, Dubai or somewhere. New Zealand, bro, that's far out. That's super far. Far out, man. Up in Singapore. Singapore airport's really nice. Check members chat. No way. Guys in the office on stream. You'd love to see it. Okay, is that chat on the side? Oh no, that's your work chat. Okay, I was gonna say. W, bro. That's clean. Alright, chat, 2 minutes here to the 15-minute close. And then we'll be more accessible for people outside the UK. Yeah, Slack. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, it depends. But like I said, bro, if I have the gym location down and like the gym's already built by February, which it should be, then, bro, we'll do it there 100%. It's definitely accessible, and I can do whatever I want, right? You know, like we can make it literally anything. But yeah, we'll have a backup location in like London for sure. A few minutes here, chat. What can you see? What can we see? Most likely nothing, right? Are you on the car alarm here? Hey, good stuff. Can do whatever I want. Energy for a Wednesday. You can always do what you want, man. You can always do what you want. Yeah, I can't wait to own a place so I can actually just like anything. I can't wait to own a place so we can just actually like, you know, hold events. I'm definitely going to try and get like trading stuff in there too. By the looks of it, February is the best month here for the Trendlines meetup. It'll be interesting. Alright, chat, 1 minute to this closure here. If nothing forms on this closure, I'm going to call it a day, right? Well, not a day, I'm going to call it a session. Before we trade New York as well, chat. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and you got the notification bell turned on so that you don't miss when we stream New York and also when we post the vlogs that come out every single Friday. Those vlogs, I'm just going to try and make them better and better and better every single day, every single week. Yeah, man. 43 seconds. Chat, it looks like you're going to fill the range though, to be honest. Yeah, you've only got 10 pips of room right now. That's going to be it, chat. I can't take this now with only 10 pips of room. Chat, look. I'm going to be done for London session here. I can't grab any trades right now, unfortunately. There's just nothing I can do, if I'm honest. So, what we'll do here is we will play the pixel letters, call it a day for the session at least. I'll be back on for New York at 12 o'clock, so in 2 hours time. And listen, if you did enjoy, make sure you drop a like if you're going to leave. Make sure you like and subscribe already. And otherwise, bro, I need help with this word. I need help, man. Uh-oh. Right, I started in the coaching call yesterday. We started to do an IQ test. I couldn't finish it, bro. It's so boring. Eugene got an IQ of like 50, I think. Eugene, you did not get 120. Tell him what you actually got. We all know you got 81. Okay, you don't have to be ashamed. Grove? Good guess, bro. I like it. Fortunately, it's not, but it was a good guess. Nonetheless. Punta. It's 70p for it. It's crazy. Does this have to be a U at the start? Unite? Untie? Can be either of those. Be unite or untie. I'm gonna go with unite. Yeah, W. Josh comes back with the Pix Letters clutch out of nowhere. How you doing, Josh? T H no H C I N Yankee, bro. He looks like his name should be Ned. Bruv, your name is Eugene. Don't talk to me about names. I'm not doing any of that. How's the guy with the name Eugene going to chat to me about names? Alright, what's the word? Bro, it could be a V. I think it has to be a V. I. N. I've got no clue what this is, actually. What else could it be other than a V? Or nothing, right? Yeah, it has to be a V at the start. Find? Can't be at East. Last this. I'm struggling with it at the minute. Vision? No, there's an I in that as well. It can't be that. Vinicius? I reckon it's some Latin word, to be honest. Like, by... Maybe not. Bro, what could this be? Alright, okay. We know it's a D at the end. I go Vinny, you'll lose? Yeah, crazy. That's tough. Alright. Everything on the line right now, chat. Oh, is it Vivid? It's gotta be, right? I feel like it has to be that. What do you think, chat? Alright, W, chat. Yeah, look, clean. Nothing we could have done here. Wow, 15 ended up closing no top book anyway. Chat, price action is tough today. But listen, stay disciplined, stay focused up. I'm going to be back for New York in about 2 hours time, roughly. No, 1.5. Crazy. Bro, I hate this time difference. But yeah, listen, other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Much love. See you in NY shortly. Bye-bye.